everyone, welcome to my Wawa's channel, Pinay Alaskan vlogger, and I have my papa here and my Wawa, and please like and subscribe to the video, and that's it for now.
Continues telling where we're going.
We're gonna go get my food, and then we're also gonna go to the store, and we're in the car right now, and we're driving. We're in Anchorage right now. It's really nice out.
It's nice and sunny.
We're here at Boniface, on Boniface, right next to the gas station, and we're going down to. We're gonna go get my food at Subway, and like I said, we're in Anchorage, and we're driving on the road right now. It seems pretty nice out, and
My brother's not with me.
My brother's at daycare. My mom's a teacher at preschool, and I'm gonna go to school in 6 days. I'm gonna go to school in 6 or 5 days.
3 days.
3 days?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah.
3 days. So right now, okay. We're passing Denny's right now. Also, we're passing Costco, and right now we're on Burga, and my dad is also at work. He's a pretrial officer, and he works at Department of Corrections, which is technically the police station. Not really, but I mean technically. And yeah, so we're still driving on the road. It's a really nice day out.
It's kind of cloudy.
Yeah, it's a little cloudy, but it's good weather. So yeah, and then you guys can just enjoy the good view of going down the road, and that's all I have to say for now.
Okay.
Yeah, we do have an early winter. We have an early winter since we're in Alaska. It's a bit colder
Yeah,
than
well-
usual.
Yeah, well, I see those geese flying. That's the sign of our early winter.
Yeah, and yeah, so like it's fall right now, just the leaves aren't really turning that brown or anything. But yeah, Alaska is pretty cold, but
So we're
we
here.
have like our climate change is different than others since we're in Alaska. But like, you know, it's like different here. But
And we are here in Subway getting some food.
yeah, we're here at Subway getting some food, and yeah, and then we're gonna park right now here, and then
Okay.
again, please like and subscribe to the video, and yes, bye.
Okay.
Hello.
What's the menu right there?
I don't even know what I want.
Which one?
You said you know what you want on Subway.
Yeah, order. You can tell me.
Okay, I'll get a meatball sandwich with the Italian urban cheese. Can I get the Italian urban cheese bread? And then, do you guys have any? Yes.
So he's ordering his food.
Do you guys have meatballs? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then,
They have drinks here, baby.
I'll also have provolone cheese with that.
One toasted?
Yes. Got it. It's the one.
It comes with the drink.
Can you also
Combo.
It's special order one. Hi, how are you guys doing today?
Okay.
Good.
May mayonnaise. Hay cay. Béo đi, quay ngay ạ.
So that's what he's having. Meatball sandwich.
How you say brother in Samoa? I forgot.
Brother?
Yeah.
Also.
Also, yeah, also.
Oh.
Also. Also means brother.
Okay.
You make your own.
What else?
What else, honey?
Ah, dami.
That's it?
No.
Get it? Are you sure?
Yes.
We're not gonna do
Yes.
anything.
And
Do you want
He has a drink at the store.
no it comes with it. What do you want? You want this one?
Okay, you can ask them to
Go over there. Go sit.
Yeah, I'll just take maybe the chocolate chip
Picture.
and then
it's gonna be extra. You want it?
Can you stand up there? Stand up there.
Yeah.
Look at me, look at me. Look at me, Liam.
Yeah, yeah.
Cookies? And cookies?
Yeah, what kind of cookies? Is it comes with the combo? No.
Yeah, it's this one or the cookies.
Oh no, it's okay. We'll get this one and also
Okay,
cookies.
what kind of cookie?
What kind of cookie?
chocolate chip. What are we doing? Protein bowl or salad? A salad.
See, mommy.
That's it?
So what are you having? You can have that one too, the juice, if you want.
We're good.
So what are you having? Is that root beer? Yeah. It's, you're busy because lunchtime now.
I think we got
It's empty. It's empty.
Yeah, but that's for the straw.
the detergent for the garden.
Okay, you can throw.
Yeah, put it in there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for the straw. He's gonna eat his lunch, a Subway sandwich. So what kind of sandwich you have again?
I have a meatball sandwich with provolone cheese and pepperoni.
That was mozzarella. No, mozzarella or
Provolone.
Parmesan. It's Parmesan, I think. No.
No, I put provolone cheese on it, but they can
Oh.
also put parmesan. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, let's go to Costco now.
Costco is over here.
Yes. So,
So, it tastes pretty good. I like it. Comment down below if you what's your favorite Subway meal.